Senken police body-worn camera is a set of video, photography, recording as one of the high-tech, on-site law enforcement video recording equipment. Clear image, long continuous recording time, with hidden camera, GPS remote positioning, 4G transmission, password unlock. The appearance of the main waterproof, shockproof, black, waterproof design, widely used in public security, traffic police, urban management, and other departments. To further promote the standard for law enforcement, provides a strong guarantee. Compact and portable design, equipped with a 2-inch TFT HD display, horizontal angle, 120-degree lens, light sensor control, infrared filter switch. The shell is made of high-strength plastic imports, citing double-color injection molding process. The plastic molding surface after silicone injection greatly enhance the waterproof performance. Can be applied under heavy rain. The cursed board through a special process with a seismic anti-dropping capability. This camera equips an A12 chip and an energy-efficient CMOS sensor, and the video processing effect is strong, and the color is bright, powerful 2560 x 1440 resolution, full HD shooting, camera pixels up to 42 million. The front side provides two auxiliary lighting sources. The lens angle is 120 degrees, large wide angle, clear quality, no deformation, broadband wide-angle shooting to meet the special needs of a variety of law enforcement environment. This recorder adopts replaceable battery design and can record 30 hours for continuous video recording under the condition of replacing the primary battery, so as to meet long-time police demand. At the same time, the camera with the intelligent infrared night vision function can also be clearly recorded even at night, to ensure that the law enforcement feels complete acquisition. Laser precise positioning, no need to look at the screen viewfinder, easily adjust the recording range. Built-in GPS positioning module, personnel can obtain the real-time position information. 3. 4G remote transmission function. See the pictures more convenient for personnel on site enforcement, law enforcement management. Start up. Press the power button for 3 seconds. The screen's lighting up indicates power on. After the law enforcement device is switched on, enter the image standby mode. Video recording. In the standby mode, press the video key to start video. Again, press the video key to stop recording and save the video content. Photograph. In the standby mode, press the camera button to take pictures. In the video mode, press the camera button to capture. Recording. In the standby mode, press the recording key. Law enforcement instrument begin recording. Again, press the recording key. Recording, stop, and save the recording content. Native playback. In the viewfinder preview mode, press the return key to enter the file browsing interface. Press the video key and the recording key to select. Press the confirmation key to enter the video file. Select the video file. Press the confirmation key to enter the list of video files. Arbitrarily select a video. Press the confirmation key to play, and the bottom of the video has a tamper-proof watermark logo. Law enforcement officers in the process of law enforcement. The police will encounter violent anti-law phenomenon, man-made robbery, or damage to the law enforcement recorder, thereby impeding the on-site law enforcement records. This camera has excellent waterproof, anti-fog, dust-proof design. Even for law enforcement personnel in a harsh environment, still in normal use. The range shaft and the drop shaft, 2.5 meters. current-resistant test, 48 hours. Temperature adaptability test, -30 to 55 OC. Durability test. Single video and audio recorder interstellar police enforcement performance. Policemen in various environmental law enforcement requires variable production. A comprehensive upgrade of police body-worn camera, born only for high-quality, integrated and cutting-edge technology, open the new era of law enforcement recorder. Tell people the truth.